What's going on, trader? Stockefeller doing a late night video today. We're gonna talk about the stock that we called out a few weeks ago, I believe, a couple weeks ago. So far, which is the stock is open, you guys, and I know a lot of people know about open. And you guys see that huge gap up today. So we closed today at 1070, you guys, and then it went on a 80% run almost, and it's still holding $10 after hours. So you can see my average, you guys, right here is 337. And you see why the trend, I always talk about the trend is your friend. We all talk about, you see this bull, first of all, let's talk about the trend. It's above the trend, so I kept holding it. First bull flag, held the trend line, spiked. This is why I held it, right? I got in here because it was, like I said on the last video, broke out, came back, tested. Previous resistance became new support. So the entry was around 337 average. Then we wrote it up, and then it created another bull flag. Then it held the trend line. Then it created another bull flag right here. And then today we had news. Keith Rabois is back. If you know about open, you know about the open army. This is a huge movement right now. Target on this, hopefully, like I said in the last video, should be around the $15, $16 area for me, depending on how it acts, or if it blows right through, if we get 3, 4 days, you never know. Like, just depends. I might take off a third, just depending on how it acts. But we did get that huge gap up, and yes, I am trying to like trail it up all the way. So I'm gonna hopefully protect the $10 area. Hopefully tomorrow, just in case. We have a lot of profit sellers, and it might be a better opportunity if this holds. We're just gonna see what happens. We could wake up with another gap up and see what happens, or we could wake up with a gap down. So depending on what happens, I'm gonna try to protect the $10 area and hopefully go to target. We have Fed. Hopefully we get more than one rate cut next week, and this thing will get to target hopefully before the it could run up to the Fed meeting, and this could happen even before the Fed meeting. And if this happens before the Fed meeting, I'll keep a piece on. So depending on the price action is dependent on my swing trading plan, you guys. So far we are up on this trade $10,462.76, you guys. That's the power of patience. So my goal is hopefully to protect the 10K just in case it gives it back, and then look for re-entry. If not, if we keep going, I'm just going to keep hopefully riding the trend. If it rejects around 14, 15, 13, depending on how it acts, might trim some off. So the whole goal is to get to the target, but like we could have, because we had a big gap update. I highly doubt it. We could give some back tomorrow, but this thing looks like it wants the next resistance, which is around $15, $16, you guys. If I take you back on let's do a 5 year. Let's do a 5 year. We have the first gap to fill is around $15, $16. And you guys see we got above 10. So as long as we hold above 10, 15 shouldn't be too hard. We did get a crazy amount of volume today. Almost a billion shares, probably a billion with the aftermarket. So we got, oh yeah, we did get a billion shares. Yes, a billion shares of volume traded today. Unbelievable. It was a crazy day, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys know about all the news. The CEO came back. The founding the CEO of Shopify actually, and then the founder came back on the board, chairman of the board, and the other founder Wu also was on the board. So they got new plans for the company. Hopefully this thing gets to target, you guys. I know a lot of people have a lot of crazy price targets, and I see the second gap to fill is around 40. People have an 80, 100, 200, $300 price target, but we'll see, you guys. I'm just going to follow it up and trail it up, and hopefully we get the best of it. So if you're in this open trade, congrats to everybody. Smash that like, you guys. Any questions, leave it in the comments, and you already know. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.